In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to borrow money from Klarna 5 minutes. Let's start with what borrowing from Klarna actually means. You're not taking out a traditional cash loan that lands in your bank account. Instead, Klarna offers point-of-sale financing. They pay the merchant on your behalf, and you repay Klarna in installments. It's designed to help you spread the cost of a purchase while keeping the checkout process quick and straightforward. Here's how it works in practice. First, shop with a retailer that partners with Klarna. You'll usually see Klarna's logo on the product page or at checkout, both online and in many physical stores. If you're browsing, look for Klarna's branding so you know the option will be available when you're ready to pay. When you're ready to check out, choose Klarna as your payment method. You'll typically see different repayment options based on your region and eligibility, such as paying in a few interest-free installments or paying later. Klarna will clearly show any fees, the total amount due, and your proposed payment schedule so you can compare and choose the plan that fits your budget. Next, log into your Klarna account or create one if it's your first time. Klarna will run an instant assessment to determine if you're approved for that specific purchase. This quick check helps them confirm the amount, the plan, and your ability to repay. You may be asked to verify your identity and link a card or bank account as your repayment method. Approval can vary by order even if you've used Klarna before. Once approved, review the plan details carefully and confirm. Make sure you understand the due dates, any potential fees for late payments, and which card or account will be charged. Turning on notifications and, if available, autopay can help you stay on track. Klarna will pay the merchant right away. You'll get your items as usual, and you simply follow the schedule to pay Klarna back over time. If you need to return something, start the return with the retailer as you normally would. Klarna will adjust your payment plan or issue a refund once the store processes the return. Until the return is confirmed, continue making scheduled payments to avoid fees. To keep this tool working in your favor, only commit to amounts you can comfortably repay, double-check payment dates, and consider paying early if you can. That's all it takes to use Klarna to spread out a purchase responsibly.